Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to cut videos in Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in studio.invideo.io, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your dashboard. Under your dashboard, select My Projects. Now click on any of the recent projects that you're working on to open that project, or you can also create a new project. So what I'm going to do is click on create new, choose editor, choose stock media, select a video, and I will click on add to project. Now I will have to choose a dimension. So I'm going to choose landscape, and this is my video exported into my editor. So what you'll have to do here is simply select the video. That is, you'll have to left click on this screen and you will see a list of options appearing at the top of your screen. Now you'll have to click on the trim. When you click on trim, this will open up this trimming section. So after navigating to the trimming section, you'll have to use these handles that is at the left and the right to select the section that you want for your video. For example, if I want to trim a section from my video, I will have to just make sure that the section is in blur. For example, I want to keep the video from 0 seconds to 12 seconds and trim out the 12 second to 18 second time frame. What I will have to do is simply use this bar at the right of my screen and take it to the 12 second. And I will leave this left bar to the 0 second. So the selected part is this video and this is going to appear in my video. Now we want to select the 18 second to 30 second time frame for our video. So I will simply take this marker to 18 seconds. I will click on add section and this will again create a section to be kept in the videos. So I will have to again take the right section and I will place this till 30 seconds. So the time frame that is 0 second to 12 second will appear in my video. After that, the 12 to 18 second time frame will not appear in my video. But after that, I've added a section. From 18 to 30 seconds, the time frame will again appear in my video. I will again take it to 36 seconds, click on add section, and I can add another section to appear in my video. The parts that we are going to trim will not appear in my video. Now, after you're done with trimming, click on the add button at the bottom and this will trim our video pretty easily. As you can see, this is our trimmed video. The simple way to do this is selecting the video that is left clicking on your screen, clicking on trim, choosing the part to trim and clicking on add. And when you click on add, your video will be trimmed pretty easily. So that's the simple way to cut videos in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.